Hello, students. How are you? I hope you are great. I am here because Halloween is really close. So, we are going to start learning vocabulary related to Halloween. Let's get started. First one, number one is
Witch.
witch, and we do this. Witch.
Wizard.
Wizard, the same.
Witch.
Witch is for girls.
Wizard.
Wizard is for boys.
Ghost.
Ghost.
Mummy.
Mummy.
Bat.
Bat.
Broom.
Broom. Okay, so we pretend we have a broom and we fly with a broom.
Wand.
Wand.
Vampire.
Vampire. And we show our fangs. Okay, we do this. Let's review one more time.
Witch.
Witch.
Wizard.
Wizard.
Ghost.
Ghost.
Mummy.
Mummy.
Ghost. Mummy.
Sorry.
Bat.
Bat.
Broom.
Broom.
Wand.
Wand.
Vampire.
Vampire. Okay? So, this song is like this.
Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween!
Yay! It's Halloween. What can we see?
I don't know.
Look over there!
Look.
Look, there's a witch!
Look, there's a witch.
Look, there's a wizard!
Look, there's a wizard.
Look, there's a ghost!
Look, there's a ghost.
Look, there's a mummy!
Look, there's a mummy.
Good! Okay,
Good.
let's try the next ones.
Okay. Here we go.
Look, there's a bat!
Look, there's a bat.
And look, there's a broom!
Look, there's a broom.
Look, there's a wand!
Look, there's a wand.
And look, there's a vampire!
Look, there's a vampire.
Hey, good!
Good.
Okay, the next bit is the chorus.
Okay.
Happy Halloween!
Halloween.
Here we go!
Okay, here we go. Yay.
Happy Halloween,
And we do this.
happy Halloween, happy Halloween, happy Halloween. Yeah. Good.
That's good.
In the next bit,
Yeah.
I
Okay.
say, I'm scared,
I'm scared. Okay.
and you go,
Ooh.
ah!
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, let's try it. Let's practice.
Okay,
Here we go.
Okay.
I'm scared. Oh, no. A lot louder. Let's try it
Louder.
again. One
Okay.
more time. You ready?
Okay. Go.
I'm scared. Whoa, that's scary.
Yeah, very scary,
Okay,
very scary.
let's go try
Yeah.
the Genki English Happy Halloween song.
Okay, let's do the song with the music.
Happy Halloween, happy Halloween, happy Halloween, happy Halloween. Yeah. Look, there's a
We repeat.
Look, there's a wizard. Look, there's a ghost. Look, there's a mummy. I'm scared. Happy Halloween, happy Halloween, happy Halloween, happy Halloween. Look, there's a bat. Look, there's a bat. Look, there's a broom. Look,
Look, there's a vampire. There's a vampire. I'm scared. Happy Halloween, happy Halloween, happy Halloween, happy Halloween. Yeah! Woo!
Okay, so see you in class. I hope you practice your Halloween vocabulary words. Bye bye.